Welcome to DaSpiritual Bombs, where sacred self care meets spiritual power. Today, we're diving into a truth that goes beyond the surface because your energy, your spirit, and your worth deserve to be protected and honored every single day.
Welcome, beautiful souls. Today we're diving into a profound truth that is often overlooked. Love isn't just about how we connect with others, it truly begins with ourselves. Self love is the foundation for every relationship we nurture, every choice we make, and every spiritual practice we embrace. It's essential to remember that the journey of self love is not just about a fad or a trend. It's a crucial and transformative process that can reshape the very fabric of our lives. Understanding self love means recognizing and valuing your worth on a profound level. It's about standing firmly in the knowledge that you are enough without needing external validation to define your essence. Many people assume that self love means being selfish or conceited, but in reality, it is an act of radical self acceptance and compassion. It enables us to show up authentically in our relationships, providing the depth and intimacy that genuine connections require. When we begin to understand that loving ourselves is the first step towards loving others, we unlock a different dimension of interpersonal dynamics, one that is based on respect, kindness, and reciprocity. As we navigate through life, we often overlook the powerful ripple effect that acknowledging our worth can create. When you honor your self-worth, you naturally attract respect and love from others that mirrors the energy you project. The law of attraction suggests that the frequency we emit influences what we draw into our lives. If we radiate love and self-acceptance, we become magnets for the same energy. Conversely, when we are entrenched in feelings of unworthiness, we may inadvertently invite negative patterns into our lives. Think of the relationships that drain your energy or the opportunities that slip through your fingers. This brings us to the deeply ingrained quest for external validation. In a world driven by likes, shares, and social media comparisons, it's all too easy to turn outside of ourselves for confirmation of our worth. We often seek approval from others based on achievements or opinions, which can lead to a tumultuous inner conflict. The undeniable truth is that external validation is fleeting and can shift with the tides of popularity and trends. The more we rely on others to prop up our worth, the more susceptible we become to disappointment and self-doubt. To combat these tendencies, we created the Love and Worth Ritual Companion Kit, specifically designed to help you anchor your intentions and reconnect with your inner radiance. Inside this thoughtfully curated kit, you will find a love attraction spray, a self-worth oil, a rose quartz stone, and a pink mini spell candle. Each item serves as a reminder: you are worthy, you are enough, your love begins with you. The love attraction spray can be used to cleanse your space of negativity, paving the way for positive energy experiences. The self-worth oil, made of fragrant essential oils meant to inspire confidence, can be applied during meditation or rituals to reinforce your personal affirmations. The rose quartz stone is often referred to as the stone of unconditional love, reminding us to nurture the most important relationship, our love for ourselves. Lastly, the pink mini spell candle invites the warmth of self-compassion into your rituals, igniting your intentions and drawing in love. Now let's visualize a powerful moment of transformation. Picture an African-American woman, perhaps named Maya, surrounded by the tranquil settings of her sacred space, soft light flickering from the candles, and the scent of essential oils filling the air. As she spritzes the love attraction spray, she breathes deeply, inhaling the aroma that starts to shift her inner landscape. She holds the rose quartz in her hand, feeling its cool, calming energy. Each step she takes in her ritual invites her deeper into a connection with her heart. Through this practice, Maya celebrates herself, her strengths, her flaws, and everything that makes her uniquely beautiful. Let's take a moment together, wherever you are, to reflect on your worth. Breathe in slowly, allowing your heart to expand with each inhalation, filling you with light and love. As you exhale, release any doubts and fears that may linger. Envision this energy rippling through your life, nourishing your relationships and affirming your self-worth in every interaction. As we wrap up today's exploration of love and worth, Remember that this journey requires daily commitment. Take the opportunity to explore the Love and Worth Ritual Companion Kit and integrate its elements into your spiritual practices. Your worth is your power, a constant and beautiful truth that should never be forgotten. Embrace this journey, knowing that it not only enriches your life, but also has the potential to transform those around you. You are worthy. You are enough. Always.
Thank you for spending this sacred moment with me. If today's message spoke to your spirit, don't just let it pass, bring it into your practice. You can explore our ritual kits, handcrafted to support your journey, at our website. The link is below. And as always, remember, protect your energy, honor your spirit, and walk in your worth. Until next time, stay blessed.